So in the first videos here, beginner videos, we looked at mostly open embrace, and then we just looked at close embrace and how to take the close embrace. But with those essential steps, there are some slight modifications that we might make, or some technique things at least to look at when we move to a close embrace versus an open embrace. So the first one is going to the cross. When I step outside partner, so here, going to the cross in parallel, for example, okay? Pretty much the same technique. The only thing is that now my technique has to be a little more precise, particularly when I take this step. If I take this step with my hip going forward, in open, I could actually get away with that. It's not good, we don't want to do that, but in close, really not going to work out well, because I'm going to run into her. So what I want to do, actually I want to extend my leg without my hip coming forward, and then transfer my body weight up onto that leg. So leaders, as an exercise, put your hand on your hip and extend your right leg forward, okay? And notice how I turn my foot out just a little bit. That's how I want to step when I go outside. That's just how I want to step, but especially when I go outside partner. Now, do the same thing, but move the hip forward. See, that's what we don't want to do. I don't want to move the hip forward. Yeah. I want to keep the hip back as I step outside partner. Then there's plenty of room to go to the cross, to go outside partner and to the cross in close embrace if we use that technique.